In the third heat of this morning, we welcome for their finals in line dance classic groovy novice female, also for the smooth. From Belgium, number 75, Linda Beens. From Norway, number 118, Hannah Hansen. From Germany, number 154, Christina Laber. From the Netherlands, number 305, Christina Veldhuizen. From the Netherlands, number 116, Coretta Tak. From Germany, number 65, Susan Sensik. From Korea, number 34, Iyun Chung. From Austria, number 15, Barbara Ziznek. From Lithuania, 268, Nomeda Pamparini. From Germany, number 122, Claudia Erich. From the Netherlands, number 7, Alice van Brugel. And from the Netherlands, also 128, Jacqueline Liebring. Ladies, please turn around and take some space on the dance floor. And here is your music.